Welcome to Speedy K's. Today we're going to be showing you where the schedule appointment link is. So this is a schedule appointment link here on our website. You can just simply click the schedule appointment. When you do so and you click on the schedule appointment, please do make sure that you fill out all the form fully, depending upon if it's on your phone or via desktop. You can actually scroll down and just fill out all the forms. As the schedule appointment indicates, we do offer 24 to 48 hours emergency appointments, excluding weekends, holidays. However, we do not do same day services. But if you did require an emergency appointment, we do offer that with extra fees. Or you may just schedule an appointment online and then just fill in the required date that you would like. And then what we do is one of our sales staff from your location will call you back, cover the details, cover your package, cover any questions, and then cover if the date and time is available. If it is not, then they will mention a few different dates and times to see if that coordinates with you. But again, make sure you do fill out all the detailed forms. These are all drop-down menus. So if you're looking for aircraft, coach, RV, or if there's something you don't see and you have a specialty service, you could just click on the specialty services requested. So just do make sure that you fill in all that information. Now, once you fill that in, it'll indicate that we have received it. Someone will get back with you, usually within 24 to 40 hours of receival. These are sent to our corp office, and then they do come to the locations depending upon what location you are submitting, and someone will get back to you as quick as possible. If you don't hear something within a week from that location, please do call. For some reason, either a form might have not been filled out or an area, and sometimes those won't go through all the way, and or it may have gone to spam, which we hope that doesn't happen. But if it does, just call us, and one of the specialists will get back to you as quick as possible.